Hello train fans, my name is Vinny N, and in today's video I will be playing Train Simulator 2012, I believe. I think it's either 2012 or 2011, I don't know. But as you can see, I've been playing or you might be able to see, but it says paused right there. But I've been playing a lot, and yeah, I just had to do a video of it. I've had it for a few weeks, and I just never got around to doing it. I did it a few times, but either the tablet died, or my iPod would die, or the video would be just crap. So I will start the game. So yeah, and you might realize that I have different trains. Like, hold on. For some reason, there's a bag on the floor. I have trains from England, Australia, and yeah. And it's all on the American continent in the game, so yeah. But I will start. So, where am I? So I tried to make a subway with a few Australian DMUs. It just didn't come out as well as I thought it would. But I don't care. It looks nice, in my opinion. I don't know. I believe I was heading into the train yard so I can park it. Okay, glitch. Hate it when that happens. I'm just checking to see if I have a track that I can put it onto. Sorry if you hear my sister in the background talking. I don't know, I think I'll stick it in the smaller track. Oh, why are you glitching? I wish it would stop glitching. Let me just get back to the train. And here we are. Let me just turn it up a little. Let's go. Is that a weird angle? So yeah. I have nothing to say. I am just gonna play the game. I hate it when it does that. Goes right through things. I hate that. Sounds pretty realistic. Like, I mean, I haven't seen an Australian train ever before in my life. But I mean, if I had to sort of say what it sort of sounded like, I guess it sounds pretty realistic. Because I've been around American ones, just not Australian ones, and it sounds kind of like an American subway or DMU or whatever you want to call them. Just gonna move along. I'm just gonna mosey on over. Why can this train not go any faster? I mean, seriously. I am going pretty fast. It says it up on the speed thingy. Going pretty fast. Usually with all the other trains at like 17 miles per hour would be going fast, but I guess I have to get it up to 23. And great. I'm here. Slow down. It's a red light and I don't care. Are you really going that slow? I mean, seriously. Why isn't this going any faster? Hurry up! I got other trains I want to move around, okay? I don't want to be here all day with this train. Not that I don't like this train at all, or something. I do like it, it's just, why aren't you going fast? I think that'll be the name of the episode. Why so slow? I found out that this game actually, like when it was like 7 o'clock at night, this game, it looked exactly like how it looked outside. It was like just night, and the stars were out and stuff, and in the game the stars were out and it was night. In the same exact world with everything. I'm like, this is weird. This is something. This train could go a little bit more faster. I mean, seriously. Or it just might be going as slow as it looks because it's sort of glitching along. It's one thing I don't like about this app. This train really likes to go slow. I will blow the horn. That makes me feel like I'm going fast. Maybe I can stop. I don't know. Let me just check it out. Yeah, I can. Okay, so now I can just leave this train. Yeah, it's moving pretty smoothly right here. It's weird. Okay, so let's see what else I can do. Oh yeah, and I think I have trains from... Okay, hold on. Yeah, I think I have some trains from Sweden, like that one. I think it's from Sweden. Even if that is a country. I think it is. I don't know. I forget. Yeah, I have trains. I have a few freight locomotives right here from Australia. Some Rock Island ones. This is just my train yard. I'm just showing you guys. And see, I have a passenger train. A high-speed passenger train. I think I'll drive that one. Okay, so let me just check all these all these tracks. And I think I can go. Well, okay. Just gonna move on. Just gonna mosey on out. Leaving all those other trains and yeah. Wow, 9 minutes in. This game is really making time fly by. Oh my god, people, seriously. Well, we did not need to hear my mom's conversation. It's someone on the phone. I don't think people realize I'm making video. Oh my god, I forgot. Okay, there. I don't want to derail this train because this is a pretty nice train. And I'm not lying, it goes pretty fast, but the limit is 20. So I don't want to go over that limit. Because I hate it when it just flashes red, the speed limit flashes red and white. I'm like, I think I'm gonna derail soon. I hate that. Yeah, I needed a spot to put all these trains, all like the locomotives. Like, we're passing a bunch of diesels already. There are some diesels, and I think there are a few steam engines over there in that corner. But I needed somewhere to stick them all, and I'm like, well, this is a perfect spot. I really hate when it pauses like this. I want you to speed up. I really wish it would let me speed up. Yeah, I'll just look at the train, just so you guys can see something, instead of just looking. I'm gonna do something. No, not that. This. Bright headlights. There. That's nice. Let's zoom in on that person. It looks like they just pasted the face on. I think that's what they did. Doesn't look that good. I have a few steam engines up there on that hill. Okay, I don't care. I'm stepping on it. I'm done with this. I'm done with these damn speed limits. I don't care if I'm going over the speed limit, which I'm not yet. I'm a safe driver. Not right now. I'm stepping on it. See what I mean? It flashes red and white up there. See what I mean? Up there. But I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. Okay, I should stop singing. Oh my god, I'm going 32 miles per hour. I'm going fast. This is what I wanted. Plus, people aren't going to be happy with this passenger service. Oh, jeez. Thanks a lot, game. It turned to 40 miles per hour, and then I'm over 41. Now I'm at 48 miles per hour. But I don't care. Just gonna speed right over that switch track. That's safe. No, it isn't. Oh, and the limit went back down to 35. Oh, and the video is 14 minutes long. Sorry, guys. But this is gonna be the end of this video. And I promise I will leave off where we started. So, yeah, please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah. So see you guys next time, and goodbye.